across. Looks like an easy crossing there. Famous last words. Turn off the power. Okay. Walk mode time. Boy, oh boy. San Diego with creeks flowing. It's like amazing. Hit that walk button. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I once came through here with Mr. Matthias. We bushwhacked a long way. We got passage. This is what I wanted to know. How far can I go with the Levo? Oh yeah. We got nice scenery too. Memory lane, that's what I keep saying. All these rides I keep doing with the Levo. Memory lane. Big difference is I'm not struggling as much. Wow. Sweet. Oh man, this will be an insane bushwhack. Maybe the game is already over. Oh, here's a new technique. Chest on the seat. Walk with my feet. Keep my balls off the tire. Alright. Yeah. Time to get a nice panoramic shot. Look at that nice rock slab of water all on it. Man, beautiful back here. I guess that's why they didn't want to leave this open. Cactus. Overgrowth. Yeah, this is old memory lane. These are the places that you find and you never know how special they are until you come back after many years and find that nobody's been coming here and it's going to disappear, get overgrown. Okay, we're probably running out of trail. Yeah, amazing. There was a trail here. Time to do trail mode inverted. Now what? This is a tricky spot. Let's see, do I get a tick on me yet? Yes, sir. There's a freaking tick right there. First one. He gets to live. Normally I kill them all, but what's the point out here? I might as well give up here instead of killing myself. It sure would be cool to come back here if they opened this up. do we got here, GoPro? We got ourselves a little oasis, and then some. It's like an infinite oasis. First time I put my GoPro underwater. I've got the GoPro protective housing, so I figured, well, what the heck? This thing's good for diving. I mean, the camera can go underwater anyway. Little things growing on the rock. Wow. I think we're gonna sit right here. Here's a nice spot. Can't argue with this. Damn, ticks. There are some baby ticks. Bloodsuckers. Okay. Look how the rock has been shaped, polished. We're going to make our way over to the grand slab. See all the decomposed granite, sandy stuff in the bottom. There's that other piece of succulent right there, the Dudleya. So here's a bunch more. 1, 2, 3, 4 little pieces. 5, 6, 7. Lots of little babies in there. It likes to hang out on the rock. Right here again, here again. There it is. Wow, we made it. We are here. This is the spot. More Dudleya, pulverulenta, and this one has a fluorescence on it. Or maybe a subspecies thereof. What's this? It looks like garlic. It may well be. Let's find out. I'm going to break a piece off and... Or it's an onion. Yeah, it's a wild onion. I chewed on a little bit of this. I think it's wild onion. How about that? It's all over the rock here. You see the shafts are cylindrical or circular cross section. Time to go back up and get the Levo. We had a nice little break here. Just kind of enjoy the ambiance. Party's over down here. Must have got at least 10, 15 ticks off of me. Little tiny baby ones. Back to the Levo. Levo love. Kind of like radar love. Time to get back down the creek. Fire up your mama. Okay. gotta have a little faith that you can ride through these bushes sometimes. Here's the little tributary canyon. Now we're gonna come back to the big old bushwhack. Hike a bike. Lots of bushes. A tree. Downed tree. So we pull away from the creek temporarily, and we will regain consciousness of it. All right. There it is, the creek, flowers, vetch, I don't know, here's another tributary canyon. And now we are back into the flower zone. Bushes. This purple stuff is a type of lilac, ceanothus. Very common in this area. Oh, it's so fragrant. Let's see if we can navigate the bars. Down the bushes. Nice upwind, updraft, canyon wind. We got the bushes fighting us everywhere. Here's one of the nicer parts of the canyon. Definitely cannot move fast. Man, if they just cut it this year, it would survive as a trail a little longer. Okay, got a nice little vista point here, end of the river. Solid rock over there. Big canyon cutting in over there. fast as we can get going here. Oh my, I can't believe it. I'm already done. It seemed like there were so many more bushes earlier. Inverted Levo walk mode.